How to copy and paste in Canva mobile app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can copy and paste in Canva mobile app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Canva. After you open up your Canva, you will see your profile. You can open up any projects that you want. Now, if you want to copy your Canva design, or if you want to copy anything on Canva, first you will need to select it. After you select it, you can tap on this icon where you can actually copy and paste it all together. So this is the icon right here, this one. So you can, if you tap on that, it will automatically copy it and then paste the image or any other files that you have. If you want to just copy it, you can tap on copy by first clicking on the three dots and then copying it. After you copy it, you can head over to anywhere, long press on there to actually paste it. And it's that simple. And that is how you copy and paste in Canva mobile app, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.